Friends, let's see exercise 5.1. In exercise 5.1, the different types of numerics are available. We know what is arithmetic progression. Whenever the list of numbers are given, how to check it is form an AP or not. Here condition is given in form of word. The first of all we make list of numbers, then we check it is AP or not. See what the question says. It is first question from exercise 5.1 from our textbook. In which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Directly the list of numbers are not given. First the situations are given. From the given situation we have to obtain list of numbers. Then we check it is form an AP or not. The first condition is given, the first situation is given, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is ₹15 for the first kilometer and ₹8 for each additional kilometer. The first of all, to make an list of numbers, fare for 1 kilometer is equals to 15 rupees. Then find the fare for 2 kilometer is equals to, for 1 kilometer it is 15 rupees and for each additional kilometer is ₹8 is equals to 23 rupees. Here the 23 rupees is the fare for first 2 kilometers. Is equals to 23 rupees. At least 4 terms in the list of numbers we need to find out. Third one, fare for 3 kilometer is equals to, for first kilometer it is 15 rupees, for additional 2 kilometers, for 1 kilometer 8 and 2 kilometer we multiply it by 2, 15 plus 2 8 are 16 is equals to 31 rupees. Now last fare for 4 kilometer is equals to, for first kilometer 15 rupees is fixed and another 3 kilometer we have to give 8 rupees per kilometer, 15 plus 24 and we get 39 rupees. Therefore list of numbers first is 15, then 23, 31, 39 up to infinite. Now we check it is a AP or not. Now to check it is form in AP or not, we have to take difference of their consecutive terms. A2 minus A1 is equals to 23 minus 15 is equals to 8. A3 minus A2, 31 minus 23 is equals to again 8. A4 minus A3 is equals to 39 minus 31 is equals to again 8. Here what happened? Difference between 3 consecutive terms of the list of numbers are equal. Here A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3 is equals to 8. Therefore list of numbers form an AP means what? Given situation is make an arithmetic progression. Given situation form an arithmetic progression because difference between consecutive terms are equal. Now we see the next 4 different types of situations given. The second number, the amount of air present in cylinder when vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Initially we don't know air in a cylinder. Let us assume that. Let us take initially V unit cube air present in cylinder. At present V unit cube air present in the cylinder. Then what happened? In cylinder, a cylinder contains V volume air in it. Vacuum pump removes 1/4 air at a time. V minus 4 it is removed. Remaining air in cylinder V minus V upon 4 in the next step. Therefore, first time air present in cylinder after first time vacuum pump removes air is equals to V minus V upon 4 is equals to, by taking LCM we simplify it, 4V minus V upon 4 which is 3V upon 4. Same way, second time air present in cylinder is equals to 3V upon 4 minus, again it remove fourth part of the remaining, 3V upon 16. 16 is our LCM. 12V minus 3V is equals to 9V upon 16. The same way, third time air present in cylinder is equals to 9V upon 16 is present, but we subtract its fourth part, 9V upon 64 is equals to 64 is LCM. 36V minus 9V is equals to 27V upon 64. Therefore, list of numbers V 3V upon 4, 9V upon 16, 27V upon 64 up to infinite. It is of the form 3 upon 4 into V, 3 upon 4 square into V, 3 upon 4 cube into V up to infinite. Now, to check it is form an AP or not, subtract second term minus first term. 3V upon 4 minus V, 3V minus 4V upon 4 which is minus V upon 4. If the second difference is minus V upon 4, we go to further. Now A3 minus A2, A3 is equals to 9V upon 16 minus A2 is 3V upon 4. 16 is our LCM, 9V minus 12V. The answer is minus 3V upon 16. Here A2 minus A1 does not equals to A3 minus A2. That's why given situation does not form an AP. Therefore, given situation does not form an AP. Now we see the next one. Let's see the third number. Same procedure will be repeated here. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. The cost of first 1 meter is rupees 150 is given. The first we find cost of digging for 1 meter is equals to 150 rupees. Then cost of digging for 2 meter is equals to 150 is fixed. For additional subsequent meter we add 50 is equals to 200 rupees. Then cost of digging for first 3 meters is equals to for 1 meter fixed 150 rupees and we have to add 2 rupees. 2 meter per rupees is 50. The 50 2 into 50 is equals to 150 plus 100 is equals to 250 rupees. Now we need to find last fourth number. Cost of digging for 4 meter is equals to 150 plus 3 into 50 is equals to 150 plus 150 is equals to 300 rupees. Here the list of numbers are obtained. Therefore, list of numbers first is 150, 200, 250, 300 up to infinite. Now we check it is form an AP or not using difference of their consecutive terms. A2 minus A1, 200 minus 150 is equals to 50. A3 minus A2 is equals to 250 minus 200 is equals to 50. A4 minus A3 is equals to 300 minus 250 is equals to 50. Here the difference of the consecutive terms are equal. That's why the given situation form an AP. Here A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3 is equals to AP 50. Therefore, given situation form an AP because difference of consecutive terms are equal. That's why it is form an AP. Now see the fourth, last from the question number 1. The amount of money in account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. Here the compound interest is given. The principal amount P is equals to 10,000. Rate of interest R is equals to 8%. Here we need to find amount for each and every year. Amount for first year. As we know, A is equals to P into bracket 1 plus R upon 100 power n. It is a formula to find amount. The first year amount, suppose A1 is equals to P is 10,000. 1 plus R is 8 upon 100 power n means 1 is equals to 10,000. We have to take LCM. 100 ones are 100 plus 8 which is 108. 108 upon 100 is equals to 10,000 and 1.08 amount for the first year. Same we need to find amount for second year is equals to 10,000. 1 plus r upon 100 as it is, but instead of n it is second here, then it is 2. 10,000 108 upon 100 power 2 is equals to 10,000 1.08 square. The third number is amount for third year is equals to 10,000 1 plus 8 upon 100 but power 3. We get 10,000 1.08 cube. Here the amount of 3 years, first 3 years is obtained. Therefore list of numbers. First is 10,000 1.08, 10,000 1.08 square, 10,000 1.08 cube up to infinite. Now we subtract the first term from the second term from the third. A2 minus A1. A2 is 10,000. 1.08 square minus 10,000. 1.08. Here 10,000 and 1.08 is common. Remaining into bracket 1.08 minus 1 is equals to 10,000 1.08 into 0.8. A3 minus A2 is equals to 10,000 1.08 cube minus 10,000 1.08 square. Again we have to take 10,000 as a common, 1.08 square as a common, remaining into bracket 1.08 minus 1. 10,000 1.08 square into 0.8. Here see the difference of two consecutive terms does not equal. The second term difference A3 minus A2 is 1.08 more than the first two differences. Then we write here A2 minus A1 does not equals to A3 minus A2. That's why the given situation, therefore given situation does not form an AP because the difference of the consecutive terms are not equal. Because difference of consecutive terms are not equal. Hence, the first number is completed. There are 4 different situations given. 2 are make AP and 2 does not form an AP. Now we see the next one. Let's see the next number. Question number 2. Question number 1 is completed. Second is most easy. Write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and common difference D are given as follows. We need to find first terms for 4 terms of an AP. The first term A and common difference D is given. The first term A1 is equals to A is equals to 10. Second term A2 is obtained by A plus D, where A is 10 and D is also 10. 10 plus 10 which is 20. Third term A3 is equals to second term A2 plus D, where A2 is equals to 20 and D is also 10 which is 30. Fourth term A4 is equals to A3 plus D, where A3 is a 30 and D is equals to 10 which is 40. Hence the 4 terms are obtained here. The question says that write first 4 terms of the AP when first term and the common difference is given follow. Therefore, first 4 terms of an AP, 10, 20, 30 and 40. Now we see the next second number. For the second number A and the common difference D is given. A is -2 and D is 0. A is equals to -2 and D is equals to 0. The first term A1 is already A is equals to -2. Second term A2 is equals to A plus D, where A is a -2 plus 0 is equals to -2. Third term A3 is equals to A2 plus D, where A2 is equals to -2 plus D is 0 is again -2. Fourth term A4 is equals to A3 plus D, where A3 is equals to -2 plus 0, which is -2. Hence the four terms of arithmetic progression is obtained here. Therefore 4 terms in AP are -2, -2, -2, -2. Let's see the next number. Third, try yourself. Now we see fourth number. Fourth number is A is equals to -1 and D is equals to 1/2. The first term A1 is equals to A is equals to -1. Second term A2 is equals to A plus D, where A is -1 plus 1/2. By taking LCM we have to simplify it. -2 plus 1/2, which is -1/2. Third term A3 is equals to A2 plus D, where A2 is -1/2 plus D is 1/2 and we obtain 0. Fourth term A4 is equals to A3 plus D, where A3 is equals to 0 and D is 1/2. The required term is 1/2, which is our fourth term. Hence the 4 terms of an AP are obtained here. Therefore 4 terms of an AP are -1, -1/2, 0, 1/2. Let's see the last fifth number. Keep in mind, third, try yourself. The fifth number is A is equals to -1.25 and the common difference D is equals to 0.25. It is -0.25, not only 0.25, it is minus. Both A and D are negative. The first term A1 is equals to A is equals to -1.25. Second term A2 is equals to A plus D, where A is -1.25 and D is -0.25. We add both the terms. If you are not able to do directly, open the bracket first and we get -1.50 or 1.5. It is our second term. Now to find the third term A3, A2 plus D, where A2 is equals to -1.50 plus D is equals to -0.25. -1.50 minus 0.25 is equals to -1.75. It is the third term. Now to find the fourth term, A4 is equals to A3 plus D, where A3 is equals to -1.75. We have to add common difference, which is -0.25. -1.75 minus 0.25 is equals to -2.00. Otherwise you have to take only -2. The fourth terms are obtained here. Hence 4 terms in AP are: the first is -1.25, the second is -1.50, the third is -1.75 and the fourth is -2.00. Here the question number 2 is completed, which is a very easy and simple question. Now we see the next third one, the question number 3. 3 is: for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. There are different 4 APs are given. 4 APs are given. In each and every case we need to write first term and the common difference. It is our given AP. See the AP first. Here first term is denoted by A is equals to 3. Common difference D is obtained by subtraction of two consecutive terms. 1 minus 3 is equals to minus 2. D is equals to minus 2. Now we go for a second number. Second number is minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. It is already AP. We need not to check it is AP or not. We only write first term A and common difference D. First term A is equals to minus 5. Common difference D is equals to second term minus first term minus 1 minus of minus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is equals to 4, where A is minus 5 and the common difference is 4. Now we see the third number. In the third number AP is given 1 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 9 upon 3 and 13 upon 3. To find the first term, take first term as a first term. First term A is equals to 1 upon 3. Common difference D is equals to second term minus first term 5 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3. By taking LCM, here 3 is our LCM, 5 minus 1 which is 4 upon 3. Hence the common difference is 4 upon 3. Whenever we add 4 upon 3 to the 5 upon 3, 5 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3, we get next term 9 upon 3. See the last number. Last is fourth number. Fourth number is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 up to infinite. Already the AP is given. Write A and D. Here first term A is equals to 0.6. Common difference D is equals to second term minus first term. That's why D is equals to 1.1. Whenever we add 1.1 to the 1.7, we get 2.8, and 1.1 to the 2.8, we get 3.9. Hence, here the question number 2 and 3 is completed. In this session, we are stopped here up to question number 3. In next session, we will discuss about our question number 4. It is a very simple exercise using arithmetic progression. What is first term, what is second term, how to check list of numbers form an AP or not. This exercise is the base of next, and next is the exercise. Nth term, we are using here the common difference first term, how to check it is AP or not. We meet in next session to start question number 4.